Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today's nail set is going to be this red cat eye, which is perfect for the holidays, especially Christmas and New Year's Eve. I just felt like this was the perfect nail set going into the holidays. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please continue to watch. So today we are using the Cre8tion Gel X nails in the sculpted square long length, and I'm just showing you guys some of the nail tips. I love how sculpted these are, and as you can see at the base of the nail, it does have a number etched into it so that you can tell which size is what. And so what I'm doing is just taking some acetone and one of my little brushes, putting the acetone on the brush, and then I'm just going to smudge that at the base of the nail. One, to rough up the inside of the nail and make it better for adhering to the natural nail bed, as well as to remove that number at the base of the nail. Of course, we are going in with my favorite, the Cre8tion Gel Soft Tip Extend Gel, and I will be painting this into the nail. This is by far one of the best extend gels that I've come across. My nails last so long with this product, and that's why I continue to use it. And you know what? And I'm considering, because I did go ahead and buy one for the giveaway, if this is something that you guys would like, because I know it's really hard to get a hold of and they don't have it available on Amazon. I just figured this would be a great product to add into the giveaway. Guys, make sure you go and check my community tab, because it will have information, and make sure that you also watch the last nail video that I posted, because again, this will include all of the information for the giveaway, and I want everyone to have a fair chance of being entered. I haven't yet decided if I'm going to do one giveaway winner or 2 or 3. I'm not really sure, but also comment down below what you would like to see in a future giveaway, and also tell me what your favorite nail video is so far that I've posted. As you guys can see, I'm scraping the glue off the nail here and then redoing it. There was not enough glue on the nail tip, so it left a bit of a gap, and that's definitely something I have to be mindful of when using the Apres sculpted tips, because these nails will leave a gap if you do not use enough glue. And as you guys can see from that clip as well, I kept all of the glue on that nail tip and scraped it off of the tip of my natural nail bed so that I don't have a mess, and so that I can just add a little bit more glue into the nail tip and I'll be good to go. No sense in wasting all of your product and your adhesive when you don't need to. Keep it all on the nail tip and just scrape it off of the nail bed. And here I'm going in with my Beetles Cat Eye Gel Polish in D474, which I got from the Nirvana collection that they launched around Halloween, and I knew that this would come in handy, and I've been thinking about doing this nail set for so long. So I'm really excited to finally be doing this. Okay, so you guys will see here that I'm going in with my first nice coat of the Cat Eye Gel Polish, making sure that I don't have any spots that I miss. And then I'll go in with a second coat before going in with the Cat Eye magnet to add the effect. And then we will be curing it in the big lamp for 60 seconds. And here you'll see me going in with that second coat. I am applying this with a light hand because I don't want to move any of the gel polish that's underneath, because again, remember, both of these coats are not cured. We have to first do the cat eye magnet effect before we can cure the nails, or we won't be able to do anything with them. And then here I'm going in with some alcohol and my little detail brush, and I'm just cleaning up anywhere that I may have got gel polish on the skin. Please remember, always remove any gel polish off of your skin. Even if you don't see it, please still go in and do this step. You do not want to cure gel polish on the skin. You don't want to leave wet gel polish on the skin. You want to ensure that all of this is cured because you do not want to get a reaction, guys. Alright, and now we're going in with the fun part. We're going to take the Beetles magnet that came with the set, and I'm going to be using the circle side, and you'll see the pattern I'm kind of going in with. So it's 2 on one side and then 1 on the other side, which is going to be in the center. So if you guys can kind of see what I mean right here. Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't know how to describe it right now. But yeah, I'm just going at the corner on the left side of the nail, at the top left corner, bottom left corner, and then on the right side in the center of the nail. Yeah, that makes more sense. So top left corner, bottom left corner, and then in the middle of the nail on the right side is where I'm applying the magnet effect to the nail. Alrighty, so once we're done applying the effect, we're going to go ahead and cure our nails in the big lamp for 60 seconds. And here I'm going in with my Born Pretty gel polish. This is a ox blood jelly polish. Now, that is not what it's called, but that's exactly what it looks like, and it's so pretty. I've used it in a video before when I did the cherry moon nails. This polish is the truth. Like, I would wear it just by itself. It's so pretty. But we're going to be using it on top of the cat eye because to me the cat eye looks more orange and we want it to be red. We want that nice red effect. So that's why we're putting it on top of the cat eye. And then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds before going in with our top coat. After applying the top coat, of course, we're going to go in and cure that for 60 seconds as well. And I like to cure it twice. I'll do one with my hand in the lamp regular, and then I'll flip my hand over and let the under part of the nail cure as well. And of course, this part is not needed because I have a no cleanser top coat, but I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just wiping the top of the nails just to ensure that I don't have any dust around the cuticles or just like anything that may be sticky on my finger. I still like to wipe it off. And of course, I'm going in with my favorite cuticle oil and applying that to the cuticles. And this is our final product, everybody. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and let me know what else you would like to see for your holiday nail sets.